2024 at 4,200.
That's kind of where we thought we would be. The touch over 2,000 horsepower. 2024 at 4,200.
We had a touch of inertia right there. That's why I know that way. We did pull some timing out for this pass, and yeah, it's right there where we wanted it. Like there's run 6 beside it.